A second complaint has been lodged against a Garabo Primary School in Naledi teacher who is allegedly facing rape charges involving a 13-year-old learner. The latest allegation relates to sexual harassment and has heightened concerns amongst community members about learner safety and the handling of the matter. Community leader Togozani Shoba Simelane says residents will continue demanding justice for all alleged victims.
Zinyukile inqalabo nenqumbo kwindawo yaseNaledi malunga nomba katitshala wesikolo samabanga phantsi iGarabo ojongene nezityholo zokudlwengula umfundi webanga lesixhenxe wesisikolo. Xa kungoku kukho ityala elitsha elivuliweyo ngakulo titshala futhi kukholeleka ukuba kungenzeka kukho namanye amaxhoba.
You know, one thing that makes me sick in my stomach and make me mad in my head is that this stuff, this teacher or whatsoever pastor, last year December, this same guy had a case. They didn't have any evidence or substantiable evidence ukuthi akekho guilty, but they contributed money bamkhipha ngebail. Now they have evidence, the videos, zama voice notes, zama screenshot ukuthi uyenzile, but nobody is coming to court and supporting the family and being with us, the community. It's only us and the community who are there every now and then when they appear. This same guy bamvulela icase eNaledi police station. Umzali nomntwana bayile bayovula icase ye harassment ngoba bathu bamba umntwana wa 11-year-old impundu. We understand ukuthi if these people, they are willing to work with us, why they are not showing up kulama court updates is all sivela ama appearance kube i-community yodwa evelayo but ama teacher and staff salas bangabi khona. I am sure, 100% sure ukuthi there are more kids because of kune Sunday school bekasebenza kuyo emndeni. Khona bosisi abavelile ukuthi lo muntu lo harasa abantu from that Sunday school, but because of this thing yokuthi no enough evidence ekhona, that's why ayekeliwe enziwe so until today kutholakala these videos and this voice notes zokuthi lo mdlwembe wenze lento ayenzile.
Abahlali baziva bengakhululekanga ngokhuseleko lwabantwana babo futhi bebona ngathi nesebe lezemfundo laseGauteng alenzi ngokusemdleni wabo. Umrhanelwa kulindeleke ukuba aphinde avele kwakhona kwinkundla kamantyi yaseProtea ngomhla wama-30 kule nyanga. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eNaledi.